Walk onto any high-volume factory floor, and you will see CNC machines churning out hundreds of parts every hour. In traditional manufacturing, that raw speed is the primary metric of success. As long as the counter goes up, the process looks healthy. Inside the machine, a microscopic fracture appears on the cutting tool. Under intense heat and high-speed rotation, the metal begins to violently chip and degrade. This diagram illustrates the immediate impact. Because the machine cannot recognize the broken tool, it continues to run blind. As the counter ticks toward 400, the defect rate accelerates, filling the scrap bucket. But ruined metal is just the first expense. This triggers a chain reaction of compounding losses: hours of rework, scrapped material, and costly emergency inspection downtime. What if the manufacturing system possessed the intelligence to recognize its own failure and simply halt the process the moment that tool chipped? That concept is a central pillar of the Toyota production system. It is called Jidoka. Jidoka redefines efficiency as the ability to stop a process before defective parts can accumulate. Jidoka is often described as automation with a human touch. It shifts the responsibility of quality from a final inspection at the end of the line to the machine itself during the act of production. Let's revisit that tool failure. In a Jidoka-enabled system, sensors monitor the cutting force and vibration. The millisecond the tool fractures, the system detects the anomaly and stops the machine immediately. This flowchart tracks the automated sequence. The system independently detects the error, stops the operation, and broadcasts an alert. Then human intelligence takes over. An operator replaces the tool, investigates the root cause, implements a preventive change, and resumes production. To make these stops visible across a busy factory, manufacturers use Andon, a system of lights or alarms that signals exactly where and why a machine has halted. Stopping the machine is an engineered, deliberate action. It is the only way to expose and permanently solve root problems. To a traditional manager, a stopped machine looks like lost profit. However, the economic reality of Jidoka proves the opposite. This chart shows blind automation's cost. An undetected error over 2 hours generates 200 ruined components. Compare that to Jidoka. The machine stops immediately. You lose 10 minutes of production, but limit the damage to just a handful of parts. Sacrificing those few minutes of uptime acts as an insurance policy. It prevents a minor tool break from turning into an avalanche of scrap and customer risk. The core metric of Jidoka is the total output of perfect parts, not the raw running time of the machine. Ordinary automation is binary. It only asks if a machine can perform a task. Intelligent automation asks if the machine can evaluate the quality of its own work. In the past, achieving this level of quality required the constant manual observation of skilled operators to catch errors before they multiplied. Modern Industry 4.0 factories replace that manual observation with AI vision cameras and smart sensors that can identify microscopic defects in real time. These sensors only provide the data. Human intervention is still the only way to analyze that data and find a permanent solution to the problem. True Jidoka exists at the intersection of high-speed smart technology and irreplaceable human problem-solving. The ultimate principle of Jidoka is simple: never allow a problem to continue silently in the dark. World-class manufacturing systems rely on extreme visibility and early detection to guarantee quality over sheer volume. If you want to master the technical skills that create the manufacturing opportunities of tomorrow, you are in the right place. Subscribe to learn and grow with fun. Keep learning, keep growing, and have fun while doing it.